G'day everyone, Luke here from Coo'ra Farm. Today I want to introduce you to the newest members of the farm. We have 6 beautiful shorthorn heifers. They're still young girls at the moment, but they're going to play a really important role in what we are building here. Our plan with at least 5 of these heifers is to grow them out for future breeders of the farm. They've got some time ahead of them, year and a half, give or take, before they're ready for our breeding program and any long-term decisions. So there's plenty of time for us to see what they're going to bring and some characteristics to come out. During this time, we want to bring you along for the full journey. Everything from blood testing, nutrition, to gentling and halter training and preparing them for breeding. Now, one of these girls may have a slightly different future. We're working on something that we like to call our community cow project. The idea is real simple. We raise a cow to give back to the community. Depending on what we can arrange, that could mean donating a finished animal to a community group to raffle off, also for fundraising, or having the beef produced into 5 10-kilo packs and giving directly to local families who could really use some quality beef on their table. Ideally, we'd like to source a steer for this project so we can keep all these lovely 6 heifers on as breeders. But buying a single animal is often more expensive than buying a small mob, and we would have to be mindful of the costs if we want this project to keep going long term. Our goal is eventually to raise 1 community cow every 12 to 16 months, sustainably, responsibly, in a way that we can keep the project alive for years to come. These 6 girls are just the beginning, and we're really glad you're here to follow the journey with us here at Coo'ra Farm. We'll see you in the next one.